Okay, guys, perfectly done. 3,000 and one more profitable trade. $12,000. So hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to show you one of the coolest strategies for the binary options market and show you how to make millions here. So let's watch it. Okay guys, so for today I would like to use my favorite indicators, CCI first of all, together with counter channel and zigzag indicators. So what do we have for now? Just give me some time. So first of all, I would like to open sell position right now, because as you can see, we can have the pullback from the resistance zone. After this, we will highly likely break through the counter channel middle line and continue falling towards the bottom of the channel. So, and we're doing the chat. Just look at this. Price is showing us really good reaction. By the way, as always, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute, and I am investing my whole deposit in each trade so that I can save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. So the first trade was profitable one, that's okay, that's fine. So let's open USD COP currency pair. We have already changed our investment to $146. What do we have here? We're now currently in the strong down-going trend. I guess that we have some capacity to drop more. We have received the pullback reaction from the counter channel middle line, and after this, I guess we will continue dropping. That's why we have opened sell position here. Okay guys, so perfectly done. Just look at this shit. What do we have? We have one more profitable trade. That's good. Let's continue. Let's think further. Let's change our investment to $278 and check Euro USD currency pair. So what do we have here? Our trend has turned into bearish. I'm expecting the breakthrough of the counter channel middle line, having gathered enough of liquidity. So now we have enough power to break through the middle line of the counter channel and continue dropping. That's why we have opened sell position here. Okay guys, perfectly done. We have enough money right now. We have around $500 on the account. If you remember, we started with just $76 and we have already turned this money into $500. Not bad, really. Let's continue. Let's change our investment to $533. Check USD EGP currency pair. What can we find here? We have a really strong down-going trend. We have broken through the middle line of the counter channel and zigzag line. After having gathered liquidity, we can expect the continuation of the down-going trend. That's why we have opened sell position here, investing our $533. So let's check now the next trade. Let's check out the GPI. We have already changed our investment to $1,000. So we have the same strong bearish trend. We're opening sell position, expecting the breakthrough of the zigzag line. Let's open it. So we have done this. And now let's just wait a little bit until we get our money, my friends. And by the way, while you are watching this video, don't forget to check the description to it, because here you'll find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private TG, in which, my dear friends, you will get access to everything you want. Daily analytics, daily trading signals, educational materials and much, much more. But the most important thing is that if you write me private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which, my dear friends, you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will start trading and earning together with me online each day at the scheduled time and get real cash with my help. And in the long run, you will get not only skills and experience, but also enough money for your first big initial deposit, and you will be able to start trading on yourself without my help. So if you want to become professional trader, successful trader, subscribe to my TG, link in the bio right now. Now we should think about next trade, guys. We should think about it. Give me some time while I'm analyzing the market. First of all, let's change our investment to $1,900 and let's check USD DZD currency pair. What do we have here? Price is reaching the level of support. We still have some capacity for the movement according to the CCI. I'm expecting the retest of the level and its breakthrough. So that's why let's open sell position expecting the potential breakthrough of this support line, and we have already done this, and price started falling immediately. So just look at this good movement which market is showing us. Everything is going quite nice according to our plan. That's what I really love in this sphere, in this business, when price is going according to a plan. This is amazing, this is splendid, really. Perfectly done, my friends. We have $3,600 in the account. Let's think further. What should we do? Find the next currency pair to trade. So let's change our investment to $3,000 and check out the GPI currency pair. Okay, so here we are showing the pullback from the Keltner channel middle line zone. I'm expecting the breakthrough of the zigzag line. We still have some capacity for the drop according to the oscillator. That's why let's open sell position, and we have already done this. Let's check what market will bring to us, what market will show us. Okay guys, perfectly done. We have one more profitable trade. Now we have around $6,400 on the account, and that's really good sum, because if you remember, we started with just $76 on the account, which we have already turned into $6,400. That's really amazing, and I'm not going to stop here. I want to continue and open one more profitable trade. Let's check USD COP. What do we have here? We have touched the zigzag line and received the pullback reaction from it. According to the CCI, we have a good point to reach. We have some capacity for the growth. That's why we're opening buy position here, expecting the potential growth. I guess that we will reach the Keltner channel middle line here. We have invested $6,000. We still have $400 left on the account. This is our hedge assets. So all in all, we will be in profit. However, if this trade will be profitable, then we will get a lot of money right now. I want to have some risk. Oh shit, we did it. We have $12,000 on the account. It's so fucking cool. That's crazy. We turned our $76 into 12,000. That's what I really love in trading. The shit like this. So much money on my account. My friends, if you want to trade like me, if you want to trade like a pro and be millionaire in the binary options trading, then you need to subscribe to my private TG, link for it you can find in the description to this video. Do this right now, don't miss your opportunity. I wish you nice and profitable day. Thank you all, and bye bye.